how to connect Canva website to hosting your domain. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to connect your hosting your domain to your website that you have created in Canva. So first things first, select publish website over here on the top right. After that, scroll down a bit and you will be able to see here website URL. So over here, click on get a new domain. After that, click on bring your own domain over here, click continue, and then simply copy your URL domain over here and paste it over here. As you can see also, we only have a maximum of one connected domain. So you would have to remove other connected domain that is currently attached to the website that you are trying to use. So for example, this one, we have to remove this first. There we go. And then you can now connect it, as you can see. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.